The national debate of vaping and flavored tobacco products continued here in Kern County today. But if and how Kern County would address vaping still remains unclear. 23 ABC's Alex Bell was at today's presentation and heard both sides of the discussion.
The Kern County Department of Health gave their presentation today to the Board of Supervisors to address vaping, how it's marketed towards youth, and possible solutions to tobacco control. Now, some of the biggest issues that were discussed was vaping and using pens like these, vape pens. But one of the hottest topics today was flavored tobacco and flavors such as this, like mango, which they say are targeted towards youth. The Department of Public Health gave their presentation to the Board of Supervisors about vaping and its effects and possible tobacco control efforts.
Smoking is the #1 preventable cause of death and disease and claims the lives of over 480,000 people in America each year.
Multiple members of the board stated they wanted to curb the sale and use to minors, but don't foresee banning it for adults who are using the products legally.
Every day, about 2,000 children under the age of 18 smoke their first cigarette, with more than 300 becoming daily cigarette smokers.
Supervisor Gleason says he is interested in promoting a healthy environment in the community and wants to enforce existing ordinances, but doesn't believe that it's the government's job to monitor these issues.
Big thing that jumps out at me is I don't think government is the answer to the problem. I'm not I don't think you come to the Kern County to get someone to stop smoking in the high school bathroom. That's not our job. I think parents need to be involved in taking a leadership role in the education of their children
And Supervisor Maggard says he fears banning products will lead to the use of black market products being used.
What concerns me about if we ban vaping, then the only vaping materials that will be available will be black market vaping materials.
One of the hottest topics discussed today was flavored tobacco.
4 out of 5 youth who use tobacco started with a flavored product, and 4 out of 5 stores in Kern County sell flavored tobacco products. We need help.
Students like Sadhu, who are part of SWAT, say that they have seen the effects of vaping in their school and want harsher restrictions. But David Sperling, a former cigarette smoker, said vaping has helped people like him.
I was a 3-pack-a-day smoker.
Sperling says he has smoked for 20 years and never realized how smoking made him smell.
And I never realized that for over 20 years of my life, everyone I came in contact with, everyone I talked to, everywhere I went, I smelled like an ashtray.